Hello there, this is Nicole with Howlarious Hounds, and let's take a look at our jokes app. Hi, I'm a completely different person. You can tell because I'm wearing a different colored shirt. What's this website? Random jokes. Oh, they've got dogs too. Interesting. Let's see some of these jokes. Hover over to find out. Why did the house go to the doctor? It was having window pains. Okay. Yeah, give me 10 of them. Whoa. Okay. Hey, want to hear a joke? Yeah, obviously. Parsing HTML with regex. Maybe by type will be better? Let's see a knock-knock joke. Knock knock, who's there? Hatch. Hatch you. Bless you. Okay, these jokes suck. Let's see a dog. Maybe that'll cheer me up. Oh. Yes! Give me another. Oh. Incredible. Wow. Wow. I could do this all day. Wow. Ooh. Nice dogs. Terrible jokes, but nice dogs. I give this app 2 paws up. Whoa. Who was that really funny and good-looking person reviewing our app? I guess I did a pretty good job, though, so I'm gonna go. I hope you enjoyed. Maybe? Possibly? Yeah, I think you enjoyed it.